Hey there, young explorers. Today we're diving into a super tiny world that's smaller than anything you can see with your eyes. It's called string theory. Ready for a cosmic adventure? Let's go. First, let's talk about how scientists understand the universe. They study it by looking really closely at everything around us. They found out that everything is made up of tiny particles called atoms, and even smaller bits inside them called elementary particles. Now here's something cool. We see things when light bounces off them and into our eyes, right? But these elementary particles are so tiny, normal light waves are too big to help us see them. Using smaller wavelengths like X-rays can help, but it changes the particles. Ever heard of the Heisenberg uncertainty principle? It sounds fancy, but it just means we can't know exactly where a tiny particle is and how fast it's moving at the same time. So they're like tiny, blurry spheres zooming around. Scientists use something called the Standard Model to describe how these particles work. It treats particles as points in space, even though they're kind of blurry. This model has helped scientists make amazing discoveries and cool new technologies. But there's one special force that's different: gravity. Einstein said gravity is like the curvature of space and time. Imagine a trampoline bending when you sit on it. Now here comes the fun part: string theory. It combines the Standard Model and gravity. Instead of particles being tiny points, string theory says they're tiny vibrating strings like little violin strings. Different vibrations make different particles, just like different notes make different songs. Even though string theory needs 10 dimensions and we only know 4, it might help us understand super tricky things like black holes. So keep asking questions and exploring, young scientists. Who knows what amazing discoveries you'll make one day? Thanks for joining this cosmic adventure. See you next time.